Hello everyone, my name is Hyun-Sung Oh, and today I will be presenting the functionality of a new community resources search engine, a web application designed to help social workers, clinicians, and school counselors to find the mental health agencies. I joined the AZ work training because my goal was to propose a real solutions using information IT technology to mitigate barriers to mental health agency, rather than simply finding those barriers through survey research, which social scientists have historically conducted. I must also confess that my journey has been greatly supported by the AI, and these tools have amplified my ability to access, organize, and internalize coding skills quickly. They allowed me to explore solutions as long as my curiosity prevailed, giving me a sense of efficacy even when I initially feared that I would never understand computer coding. AZ work should be credited for permitting me to build what I'm about to show, and I hope this tool will help others as well. Let me begin by visiting the homepage. I'm running this locally on the Node.js server, so the address is localhost 3000. Here you can see the welcome page with a brief introduction about the region of the site and how it helps users quickly identify mental health resources. Imagine an adolescent teenager who comes to the emergency room after a suicide attempt. As a social worker, I am looking to refer her to an outpatient mental health agency. She is experiencing first episode psychosis and has delusional thoughts about being trafficked by an unknown gang via Instagram. You see a table that offers a service description that you can reference while looking for search terms that fit the needs of the clients. It's right there. So let me type the search terms related to this teenager adolescence first and see how the number of agencies are changing. They fetched from the SQL MySQL data set. And the next one would be the suicide prevention. And it doesn't allow a typo, so I gotta be really fix the typos. So see, once I added a suicide prevention, the number of agency drops slightly. And the next will be the family psychoeducation, which is really mandated to the first episode, the situation where the family and the parents has no idea about the symptoms of psychosis. So when I search that, it goes to 3,500. And then lastly, but not the least, I'm gonna search a first episode psychosis. Okay, let's get that done. And as you see, across the nation, there are 569 agencies. I'm gonna change that to the Arizona only. So as you see, it only comes down to the 7 agencies. So this highlights the gaps for the specialized care as well. So let me go to another example here. Another example is that you are a school counselor and looking for services for a mother of a student. The mother is experiencing first episode psychosis and is an Arabic-speaking immigrant. For this search, I add starting from the adult here, and you search that, then it goes to 80 to 94 agencies. And then I will get to the first episode, psychosis. That goes to 1117. And then, as I said, the first episode, psychosis, requires family psychoeducation. And that goes to 861. And if I search Arizona only, then it's going to be 14 agencies. And then I said I'm looking for an Arabic-speaking provider that goes, and then that goes to a 0 in Arizona, and across the nation there are 34 agencies. Our application is designed to complement existing resources such as findhelp.org, which is widely used for locating social and mental health services. For instance, if a user searches for 12-step therapy, often sought for patients with alcohol or drug abuse comorbidity, along with other mental health issues such as schizophrenia or homelessness, findhelp.org returns agencies in LA, in California as the top search results when we seek providers located in the heart of the city of Phoenix. By comparing this with our database, users can see how local versus national resources are represented and understand the needs to fill gaps in community services availability, especially for the populations with multiple or complex needs. Finally, the application includes a contact us page, allowing users to request additional support to report issues or suggest new agencies. This feature ensures that the database remains up to date and responsive to community needs. That concludes the demonstration of my community resources search engine. Thank you for your attention, and I welcome any questions you may have.